This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently. So if you own a Facebook page that you want to delete permanently, follow these easy steps. First of all, go to your Facebook, and now we need to select the Facebook page and we need to switch to the page. So tap on menu and tap on this arrow icon and select your Facebook page. Now tap on menu at the bottom right, and remember one thing, that to delete a Facebook page, make sure you are the admin of the page. Okay, here scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Tap on page settings. Scroll down. Under Facebook page information section, tap on access and control. Tap on deactivation deletion. And here select delete page. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the account, content, or information you have shared on your Facebook page. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. If you really want to delete your page, tap on continue. And now select a reason why you want to delete your page and tap on continue. Scroll down. Now you can back up your Facebook page, save post in your archive, you can download your information, or you can transfer your Facebook page information. Now tap on continue. And now you have to verify your Facebook account. So enter here your Facebook account password and tap on continue. And now tap on continue again. Tap on delete page. And that's it. This is how we can permanently delete a Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.